Let's solve a probability problem involving intoxicated drivers and pedestrians. We'll use probability rules to find the chance that either the driver or the pedestrian was intoxicated. Here's our problem. In a traffic incident, the probability that the driver was intoxicated is 0.15, or 15%. The probability that the pedestrian was intoxicated is 0.08, or 8%. And the probability that both were intoxicated is 0.02, or 2%. To find the probability that either the driver or pedestrian was intoxicated, we'll use the addition rule of probability. This states that for two events A and B, the probability of either event occurring is P, A, or B equals P, A plus PB, P, A, and B. Let's plug in our values. The probability of either being intoxicated equals 0.15 plus 0.08 minus 0.02. This equals 0.21, or 21%. Let's visualize what this means. The red region represents intoxicated drivers at 15%, the blue region represents intoxicated pedestrians at 8%, and the purple overlap represents both being intoxicated at 2%. The total shaded area represents our answer of 21%, the probability that either the driver or pedestrian was intoxicated. Therefore, there was a 21% chance that at least one person involved in the incident was intoxicated. This demonstrates how the addition rule helps us calculate probabilities of either/or scenarios while avoiding double counting overlapping events.